Hi and welcome. Thank you for watching. I'm George Pierce. This video is about a milestone of 1,500 views, and that's part of it. That's the first part, I guess. And the second part is that I'm going to ask you to stay to the end, because the second part is a four-part formula for YouTube success for beginners. So 1,500 views is not necessarily a lot of views, but for a new channel, it can be a very important milestone because it shows that things are happening. The reason why I'm making this video is that I want to sincerely thank all of you for all the support and all the kindness that I'm receiving, and I really appreciate it. I want you to know that. And I'm going to get more into that at the end of this video, why that's so important to keep you in mind and appreciate you, which I do. I want to thank you again. But one of the things that you're going to get from listening to a small channel, a brand new channel, a channel that's sort of in the same boat as you are, is that you can see that, hey, this can actually get done. The big channels, as soon as they put a video, as soon as they publish a video, they've got hundreds or thousands of views per hour. Little small channels, that stuff doesn't happen, at least not for a while. It takes a while to get to that point. But things can happen, and there are ways that there are ways that small channels can actually level the playing field. And this is what I want to share with you in this video. There's two things that YouTube really looks at, whether you're a big channel or a small channel. And that is essentially watch time. And in order to get that watch time, you need click-through rate. You need a good click-through rate. In order to get a good click-through rate, you need eye-catching thumbnails, and you need attention-grabbing titles. I highly suggest that you put your primary focus on thumbnails, titles, and watch time, your retention. That is going to explode your channel. That's going to put your channel on a par with the big dogs, because this is what YouTube is going to look at. And if you're getting good click-through rate and good watch time, then you're actually on a par with that big channel. And you're probably going to be way ahead of the other little channels that you're competing with, because they're not doing that yet. And the other thing is content. Now, content is king, but there's a little twist to that. You and I have to build our videos around what our viewers want, what they need, and when we do that, they will watch our videos, they will watch until the end, and they will come back for more, and then all of a sudden those thumbnails and titles are getting new viewers as well as attracting our old viewers. Our old viewers are coming back, and our channels is starting to get the results that we're striving for. These are the things. This is the nucleus for you to focus on. Put most of your focus on that. Now, I'm not saying the other things aren't important. Certainly, they have value, but much of the other things are secondary. So the bottom line, what I want you to take away from this thing, that I want you to, what I believe that will help you just as much, if not even more, is to build your content around the viewer. Think of the viewer. Put yourself in the viewer's shoes. Relate to that viewer, and build your content around that viewer. And what that's going to do is that's going to give you what I call a YouTube success formula. And actually, it's going to work for beginners and experienced marketers, but it's going to help that beginner. It's going to help you and I to level that playing field so that we can get our videos ranked. And that's fortunately what's been happening on this channel, is that my videos are getting ranked in number 1, number 2, and so on in suggested video as well as search. So that is making a significant difference when it comes to growth. If this information, if this kind of video is something that is of help to you, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell. I'd also appreciate it if you give us a like or perhaps a comment. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. and allow me to wish you much success. And allow me to thank you once again. I sincerely appreciate all the support and help that the YouTube community has been giving me. Thank you so much, and I hope that my support and help will get you to 1,500 views and a whole lot more. Thank you again.